It's like it come out of the bottom of a pond. I'm gonna clean it up, put it in my snowmobile, and ride it. Alright, good morning. So today, well, first of all, yesterday I got a weird message. So I got this thing up for sale, that little kitty cat. And I haven't really had any interest. Like, I maybe got 2 messages. Then yesterday, I randomly get a message from somebody. Hey, I'll buy it. What's your best price? So I told them. And they said, okay, deal. Which was only like $100 less than asking. Anyway, so once I'm talking to somebody marketplace, I don't like typing. I'll say, here's my number, give me a call, and we'll figure it out. So anyway, they call me, and they're like, oh yeah, we live like 2 hours away, but drop it off at this place, which is just up the road. It's like at a electrical shop. And so-and-so will bring it down to me next time they come. So I was like, okay, like, sounds kind of fishy, but... And they're like, and I'll send you the money right now. And I was like, no, don't send me the money, because if I die overnight, you know what I mean? You're out the money and the snowmobile right now. You're not out anything, so... Anyway, I was just sitting around this morning waiting for the e-transfer, and I got it, so... Anyway, I'm going to start this thing up, send a little video of it kind of driving to the truck. That's all I can do. I said, you want any more pictures or anything? And they said, oh, no. Just trying to be upfront with it. So then, yeah, I'll go drop it off, and... that's done. Then I can be on the search for another one. And I mean, this thing does run perfect. So you can't really complain about that. All I have to do is check the level in the little chain case. Alright, so we'll get this thing out to the truck. I'll take a little video just so I can send them, like, look, here it is, driving to the truck. And it's not stuff I gotta do, but I feel better about it. My coffee, gloves, and the bill of sale. She's ready to go in the back. I'm not a huge fan on delivering stuff, but I mean, what do? You don't get any messages on something, and then the one person that actually messages and wants to come buy it is like, if you'll deliver it. But there's a difference. See, to me, I wouldn't deliver something like without them buying it. Like, I wouldn't say, like, for example, if they were like, yeah, if you deliver it an hour away, I'll buy it. Like, but all that means is, once I look at it, make sure I like it, and then I'll buy it. But these people already paid for it, so basically it's theirs. I'm just delivering them their snowmobile. I wouldn't just bring it to them so they can look and change their mind, and then I'm out 2 hours, gas, blah, blah, blah. Oh, we got the groomer out here. You don't often see the groomer, you usually just see the groom trails. Nothing like a groom trail on a snowmobile. It's just beautiful. I think there might be like a family ride or something coming up maybe this weekend, so probably getting ready for that. Anyway, back to the delivery thing. I wouldn't deliver something just on their word that they're gonna buy it, because there's a good chance if they're not willing to come pick it up. Like, how do you believe that they're gonna actually buy it when you get there? The only ways I deliver is like this. It's paid for. I'm just bringing them their snowmobile. I'm basically delivering their pizza. They ordered a pizza. They paid for it. I'm just bringing it and dropping it off. I'm not bringing them a pizza to say, hey, do you like this one? Do you want to buy it? Actually, I have delivered something in this way. I've sold something in the yard. They came and looked at it, test drove it, but they showed up in a 97 Cavalier 2-door, and they just bought a 4-wheeler. Well, I'll deliver it, because, again, you already bought it, so. Anyway, one of those things. Man, I wouldn't mind having an old Cavalier. Oh, it wasn't a scam. Dropped it off. They were expecting it, and it's gone. Warm today. They're alive. They're alive.
I have a ride.
You want to have a ride? Okay. Here.
We need to climb.
Yeah, now you can climb.
This is this.
Mine.
Ooh.
How do I turn it on?
Like this.
Huh?
That's broken.
Do I gotta pull that thing?
Huh?
There's all the bees.
This one.
Hmm?
They flying.
Do you see any flying? I don't see any. I see a lot not flying.
What's those?
Bee poop. Snow pile and you can slide down it on your pink sled. Come on, you can do it. Whoa.
This week.
Whee! Going for another snowmobile ride. There's Toby. Toby, stay. Can I look home? I don't think so. Oh, I think there comes Zach there now. Got them all lined up here running. So I'm gonna do something funny. So this spark plug came out of the back of that MXZ. And I'll show you. It looks like it came out of the bottom of a pond. Hopefully it's focusing. So I'm gonna clean it up and take a look at the threads. Like the threads are just... I'm gonna clean it up, put it in my snowmobile and ride it. I think it'll work. Maybe. Let's see. Probably start it first just to see if it'll run before I put this in. It'd be crazy if this works. Threads are good. Oh my. What a waste of time. Looks like it works. I just saved $2. To think I'd usually just throw that in the garbage. I'm gonna put the good plug back in because I don't want to forget it's in there and ride it, but it's a good spare and it kind of proves that it worked. Alright, so the carbides for this snowmobile came in, and also those little buttons for the secondary clutch that were wore out. I put it back together so I could ride it, but they came in the mail, so I'm gonna put those on. Well, the old belt off here for the 5th time. And I wasn't gonna replace these little buttons, but I'll show you why. They don't seem that important. They seem like something you could just skip over, but once they wear out, it'll start wearing into the metal of the actual clutch, so that ain't good. So you can see that one's wore right down. This one's wore right down, and this one isn't there. And then on this side, you can see it's actually where, like, that's worn down, and then you can see the groove there, how much it's actually taken away from this. So that one's real bad. That one's pretty bad. And that one's pretty bad. Right, those are in. Okay. And good. What's the fun in snowmobiling if you don't have to work on them for an hour before you ride them every time? Honestly, it's probably the best part for me. I'd be lying if I said I didn't enjoy this. Working on stuff, I don't like breaking down because then you're outside, cold, no tools, no parts. This here's great. Okay, let's go ski. Alright, so we got a new carbide on this side and a new carbide on this side. That's gonna be it for this video. I got a bunch of other things I gotta do, but I gotta save something for the next one. So just a bunch of random things that went on the past couple days. Hope you enjoyed watching. We'll see you on the next one. Later.